Hello everyone, it's Bob Duterre with Yoga Life Institute with lesson 6 on purity, and in this context we mean purity of mind. I'd like to ask you to scroll down on the lesson and read the point where there's a long list of expectations. There's a lot of information in this lesson, and part of what I want you to do is to be discerning. When we look at our expectations, if they're too big, we tend to try too hard. If they're too small, we'll tend to be a little lax. So connected to this concept of purity of mind, I like to talk about effort and detachment, and how in meditation there's certainly the effort to sit and actually get yourself to do your daily meditation. That requires a certain amount of discipline and planning. But when you do get there, the internal critic, which is where we would be looking, what we'd be looking at a lot when we meditate, can be driven by these expectations. If I think I'm to have no thoughts, well, I might really press and try so hard that my trying creates thoughts. Vice versa, if I realize, hey, I'm a human being, I have thoughts, I'm meditating, I might become very lax, very laissez-faire, just sitting back, thinking I'm supposed to be relaxing almost, not trying very hard, and then be deluded by that expectation. What we're looking at is that very middle point where, yes, I want to be disciplining my thoughts, but that disciplining needs to be of such an effort that it doesn't then increase my thoughts. I may have made this point many times over the years where I say, mind be quiet, mind be quiet. And now the mind is quiet, except I'm telling the mind to be quiet and I'm very loud in there. If you look at your expectations and you try to hold them, honor them, but don't give them too much power, you'll be in good shape. Now likewise, with this lesson, you'll notice that there's a number of breathing exercises, a number of mind quieting exercises listed in the reading. It's a little longer than usual. Well, in the same vein, please be discerning and read and take from the reading what's helpful to you. You don't need to do everything. So hopefully that'll help. Little boost for purity of mind, balancing your expectations, and enjoying a deep meditation.